Your remedy is within you, but you do not perceive it. Your sickness is from you, but you do not perceive it. Remember that people are of two types: they are either your brothers in faith or your equals in humanity. He who has 1,000 friends has not a friend to spare, and he who has one enemy will meet him everywhere. Live amongst people in such a manner that if you die, they weep over you, and if you are alive, they crave for your company. Patience is of two kinds: patience over what pains you, and patience against what you covet. Do not be a slave to others when Allah has created you free. The strongest amongst you is he who subdues his self. Silence is the best reply to a fool. Knowledge enlivens the soul. Judge your actions, not others.